Well guys, we're up with sunrise. I didn't go to bed until about 2 a.m. Slept in the back of my truck. After Dunkirk, we made it about 3 hours last night. Today we were just cooking some breakfast out of some hot dogs and a nice thick steak. And then we are going to be heading down to Dead Man Derby, get some more filming in, hang out with some more friends, and be on our way. So let's get some breakfast into us, and then we will hit the road. Look how cool this is, guys. There's not too many bridges like this in Canada. This is like the 5th one I've crossed like this here in PA. Good view, industrial town, but I just love these big old metal bridges. These were built by guys 100 years ago, if not longer, and they're still standing. It's pretty cool. Let's get to Dead Man Derby. I'm doing really good for time, so I'm starting to take all these back roads. But what is that? That's 2 beetles welded together. It looks funny. I had to pull over and take a look at it. This show looks like it's gonna be great, guys. Look at some of these cars. I think this is gonna be fantastic. Well guys, here we are at Dead Man. Happy to make it. We got lots of stuff going on here. A lot of great built cars. I've been looking at a lot of the Camrys they have here, and honestly I love looking at them. You got your vendors set up over here. Lots of parts for sale. Custom plasma cutting for your rims. Lots of bumpers. Lots of rims. Mazdas. Anything that you can think of they have here for rims pretty much. Pretty reasonably priced. I got enough though. I don't need to buy any more right now, but I do love those old Mazda rims. Look at those things. So your tech line is right over here. You got the big hoist for the big cars. You got the 4-post hoist for the small cars, and so on and so forth.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah, I just wanna be great.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to
So I don't know a whole lot about all the full-size stuff. Not really a full-size guy. I do like looking at it, and I can admire a very well-built car. Like some of those cars over there, we'll go take a look at. But this guy here has been welding on this thing pretty much the entire day. It's a Saturn SC1, I believe they are. I don't even know what that is. I think that's a Lincoln. Again, I don't know my 70s big cars, guys. I know my Crown Vics, half decent. Looks like these guys are about to go for tech. You got a whole bunch of stuff, cars on the trailer over there. I've never seen one of these before. And the Zuzu Rodeo. I'll have to see how this thing does. It's going out in the vans and compact trucks, I believe. But some of these cars look really good here, guys. Another Camry here. This one here is going in the wire class stock. Spent a little bit of time talking to him and got him to help him move a little bit of things, and I think he's going to do half decent. He says he wants to go for Mad Dog. Got a couple full size over here. My problem is I really like full size. I don't have the money to get into it. I'd have to buy all new stuff, and to buy cars like this in Ontario, like that wagon's probably a $2,500 wagon right now in Ontario. I could buy a Camry for like $800 to $1,000. W body. Now they do have the two-man extreme team, so there's 4 drivers, 2 cars, and going in. That one there is an Acura CL.
That's the first time I'm underbuilt.
Underbuilt, he says. He's still gonna try to win it though. You got some Avalons over here. You got an old body Avalon and a new body Avalon. I love my Avalons. You guys know that. These are the Camry XLs here. Spent a lot of time hanging out with these guys. I love their Avalons. Two-man extreme team. There's a two-man, actually that's a single car. Two-man extreme car, Busch Light Camrys. Guys, the Camrys are out in full force, and I'm actually impressed with a lot of these Hondas that are showing up. These Hondas are nasty. These Camrys are nasty. So what I've understood here is 10 inches of plate, and then 2 repair plates, solid motor mounts, steam boxes, radiators, solid suspension, solid tires on the back. I think it's going to be a really good show. I'm not going to be filming the actual show because All For Him Racing's here. And if you guys want to check out, he's going to have a much better angle than me. So I'm just going to enjoy the show. I'm going to run through the pits. I'm going to throw some GoPros in people's cars and go from there. But I don't think I'm going to be filming any of the heats here tonight because there's going to be somebody else that's actually doing that. So a lot of cars over here. Got some good builds, and it's honestly, I love these Hondas. The wagons, man. I'm not saying that I have one, but you know, guys, keep your eyes open on in my backyard for one of these Accord wagons. Another Camry, tough looking Camry here. This is part of the Coors Light, Busch Light, Twisted Tea team. I just love the Camrys. They are coming out in full force here today, guys. I think this is going to be a pretty good show. Here's a Honda for wire class. Honda, this would be like a 98-ish. Cavalier. It's been a long time since I've seen a square body Cavalier. Is she a 3.1 or a 2-liter? Or 2.2? Oh, buddy. It looks like she's the Iron Duke in there. That's an oldie. We're getting into the back rows here. Some old iron back here, that's for sure. Looks like he's trying to get past tech. Tech's closing soon. Some pre-rans. That thing looks nice. Look at the rims on the back of that. Little rust on the quarter panels, but still looks like a great car. Got some Caravans over here. The Bills. And a couple more Camry for the two-man extremes over here. Crown Vic wagon, but it looks like it's a newer bubble style fenders put on a square body turned into a sedan. It looks like he's having to cut a little bit, unfortunately. We got a lot of cars over here. Luminas, all the two-man extreme teams. Is that a Chevy van? Yeah, it's a Chevy Venture van, but it's the 5-bolt, so that's an older one. Toyota Camry. That one there is a 2000, 2001. Old body Corolla. Dodge Durango. That thing looks like it's been through the ringer a couple times. What's that, a Jeep? Jeep Compass or Grand I don't know what that is, to be honest. Maybe a Nissan Frontier or Pathfinder? Quest? I don't know. Yeah, it's a Nissan. Pretty close on that one. Honda, Ford Taurus. I think that's one of the only Ford Tauruses I've seen here so far. W-body, two-door W-body, four-door W-body, two-door W-body. These cars are coming out of here like crazy. 70s Caddy, guys. He kept the emblem on the front of it. Town car, Lincoln Town car. Lincoln Town car. Crown Vic. That's a nice looking Crown Vic. Got a stock Vic over there. Psycho written on the roof. Miss Psycho, that's what you call it.
Mrs. Psycho.
Mrs. Psycho, sorry. A couple of caravans over here. I don't really know all of the rules, guys, here because I haven't actually read at them. But what I've understand is there's a wire class, a pro class. The Reaper class is the pro class. I don't even know what this is. I think this is a Ford product from the 60s. And you have the minivan class. You have the two-man extreme teams. From what I understand, there's going to be about 30 cars in the ring at once. 60 drivers, 30 cars. There's a Honda, another Honda, an Astro van, but this is an Astro XL van, so it's a little bit longer than your average Astro vans. Unibody 4.3 with a solid axle in the back. Durango, Camry, Jeffy's Fab Farm right there on the trunk. Another Astro van. This is a Buick. I believe this is a Buick Century, believe it or not. Now this one here I like. This one here is an AMC. It's either an Eagle or a Hornet wagon. I love my rear-wheel drives, minis. You don't see them very much. This thing looks to be actually in very good shape. I want to see how this thing does. And over here, you have a whole bunch more 70s cars. You got a 70s car. You got your Crown Vic from 2008-ish. Another town car. A lot more cars over here. They're still putting some cars through tech. So I think they're falling a little bit behind with tech. But it's all good, guys. I'm not going to be filming the Derby. I'm going to say this again because I want to enjoy the event. I want to be able to watch the event. And there's going to be all for him racing here. So he's going to be filming this event. And you know what, guys? He's going to do a great job filming. I'm just going to walk down this last aisle. And you know what? You guys should go over and check out his videos. He's got a lot more subscribers than me. He gets a lot more videos. And I just want to enjoy the event. I don't want to be holding my camera the entire day while it's being here. Some more Team Extreme cars. That is the only Taurus I've seen here today. I'd like to see how well it does. He's going in with no rubber on the back. He likes to bang without rubber, guys. But that's about it for here today. Thanks, guys, for watching. And hopefully you guys enjoy the Derby. Sorry I'm not filming, but I just want to have a great day today, guys. So take care, and we'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.